Hello everyone, let's start how to edit image in Google Sheet. First select the image. In the right hand side, click on the three dot. Here the first option replace image. If you want to replace, just click on the option. To delete image, click on the second option, delete image. Assign the script, click on the third option. Reset size, alt text and put image in the selected cell. Okay. To resize the image, simply click on the image and you just keep cursor on the point and you just drag and resize your image easily. If you want to move this image, just hold the mouse key and you can easily move anywhere. Okay. And to edit inside cell image, simply select the cell, right click on the image and click on the image option. Click on the put image over the cell, and in toolbar you can see here the zoom option. Just click on this drop down arrow and just click on the zoom out 50%. Now click on the image and keep cursor on the corner point and decrease the size of your image. Okay. Now again I click on the zoom option and click on the 100%. Okay. Now here you can see your image. And now you can easily edit this image. Right hand side, click on the three dot and you can edit your image. After edit, you can again put this image inside the cell. So here I select the cell, then click on the image, click on the three dot and click on the put image in selected cell. And that's it.